you're standing at the baggage claim carousel, jet-lagged, still tasting airport coffee, and the belt just keeps spinning. And then it hits you. Your bag is nowhere in sight. The dreaded lost luggage moment. It seems unfair, right? You paid for the flight, you trusted the airline, you planned for your trip, and now your suitcase is MIA. Here's the thing. The odds are actually better than before. But what airlines don't highlight is why baggage still goes missing, what they're responsible for, and how you can tilt the odds in your favor. In this video, we're diving deep into the hidden truth behind lost luggage, the system, the incentives, the fine print that airlines don't spotlight, and the steps you can take to protect yourself. Welcome to Elite Trailblazer, where we travel smarter, fly wiser, and keep our bags closer than our boarding pass. Why lost luggage still happens. Even in an age of RFID tags and real-time shipment tracking, luggage still disappears. According to the Wikipedia entry for lost luggage, it's estimated that about 1 in every 150 passengers in the U.S. have their checked bag misdirected or left behind each year. Why? Because the handoffs are many. You drop your bag, ground handlers move it, belt loaders load it, flights are delayed, connections happen, tags get ripped, a misread barcode sends your bags somewhere else. Airports, airlines, and baggage handlers all play a part. But here's what you don't generally hear. Airlines' cost structures and liability limits mean there's a business incentive to handle bags in certain ways. For example, if you arrive late for your check-in cutoff, your bag may be offloaded, left behind, rather than delayed and blamed on the airline. Also, as one Reddit user bluntly put it, airlines don't lose luggage, airports do. While provocative, the sentiment holds some truth. Ground handling and airport baggage systems contribute a lot to the misrouting. So you're not just unlucky. You're operating in a system that isn't built purely for bag delivery at all costs, at least not always. Truth number 1. The lost bag isn't always lost. It's often delayed. One of the biggest misconceptions is that your bag is lost forever. In reality, it's much more common that your bag is simply delayed. Maybe on a later flight, maybe mistagged, maybe in a pile somewhere. Airlines often rely on your patience. According to the Wikipedia entry, many lost baggage items are eventually found and returned, but the system still designates them as lost for compensation or legal purposes. What the airline won't broadcast is that if you connect flights tight, or your bag arrived just as the aircraft was loading, or your bag tag came off, the bag gets rerouted or left behind intentionally. What you should know, ask about message updates such as "bag will arrive tomorrow" rather than "lost." And always keep essentials in your carry-on, because you might be bagless for at least 24 hours. Truth number 2. Your checked bag has limited liability. Know the fine print. Here's a hard truth. When you check your bag, the airline's liability is naturally limited. According to the same Wikipedia source, under the Montreal Convention for International Travel, there's a maximum liability amount unless you declare a higher value. What airlines won't make super obvious is that they may not compensate what you think your bag contents are worth. For domestic U.S. flights, the rules vary. Many contract of carriage documents say reasonable compensation or state they will only pay for essential items, clothing, toiletries, not luxury goods. What you should do? Document your bag and contents before you leave home. Take photos, note serial numbers. If you're carrying valuables, consider paying for a declared value excess coverage or keep them in your carry-on. Truth number 3. The tag really matters, and the tag you see isn't everything. It feels safe when you receive that baggage tag at check-in, but what airlines and handlers don't emphasize is how fragile or temporary that tag can be. If your tag label is torn, peeling, printed badly, or not applied to the correct strap location, the bag still goes off route. One Reddit traveler reported, "My bag showed checked, but the tag was half peeled. I found it 2 days later in another city. In many airports, the ground handler scanning software may be offline, staff might manually intervene, and the bag ends up on the extra lot, delayed or lost. Your action step: look at your tag, ensure your destination code is correct, keep the receipt or tag number in your pocket, and if you notice damage to the tag or strap, mention it before you walk away. Truth number 4. The number of transfer connections matters, and not all flights are equal. Here's something you don't often see in airline ads. Every time your bag transfers, plane to truck to belt to plane, risk increases. If you have a tight connection, or your bag arrives late, or the final flight is full, the bag may not make it. Luggage is more likely to be lost or misdirected if the journey has several legs. Ground crews often prioritize passenger first, bag later once schedules are tight. The bag might be left behind to keep the plane on time. What's hidden is, some airlines will notify you only after they decide the bag is not making it. You're then told your bag will arrive tomorrow. That's not lost in the traditional sense, just rerouted. Your move is to try to minimize connections if you check a bag. Book the same airline for all legs where possible. Use shorter layovers only if you're carry-on only. Truth number 5. Status, premium fare, and priority tags help, but they aren't a guarantee. Many frequent flyers assume my gold status means my bag will always arrive, but that's not true. Yes, airlines give priority tags on some flights, but when the system is overloaded, even priority bags may be delayed. Data from mishandled baggage reports show that even major carriers lose 5 to 8 bags per 1,000 checked pieces. What airlines quietly rely on is you keeping calm, believing the bag will be there because it usually will, but they're not obligated to find your bag instantly. Action: if you're flying economy and checking a bag, still treat it like it may not arrive. Have essentials in your carry-on. Truth number 6. Smart tracking tech works, but airlines don't always bake it in. One of the most optimistic developments is tracking tags like the Apple AirTag are now fully allowed in checked baggage under certain battery limits, and some airlines even support sharing item location with them. But many airlines don't proactively tell you this, and you may still have to claim your bag as delayed before you can use the tracking hint to push them. What they're less likely to mention is placing a tracker helps you but doesn't legally obligate the airline to deliver your bag fast. What you should do: slip a tracker into your checked bag, battery removed if required, photograph your bag, seal the tag details, and track it yourself in real time if possible. Truth number 7. Color and distinctiveness of your luggage actually matters. A surprising reveal: one airline issued a warning that certain bag colors like black, navy, or gray are more likely to be misclaimed or mishandled because they look generic. Ribbons, stickers, or flashy handles might help you identify your bag faster, but sometimes they interfere with scanning systems or cause extra manual rerouting. Airlines aren't going to say, "Buy a bright bag to help us find it," but it helps. Your hack is to use a distinct tag, remove old stickers, pick a bright color, and place your own label inside the bag too. Truth number 8. Airlines can bargain hard on lost versus delayed, and you may lose out. When your bag doesn't arrive on the carousel, you might file a claim for lost luggage, but airlines often define lost as after 21 days or when they've given up searching. Until then, they call it delayed. This is rarely headline news. The difference in your legal rights can be massive. Your action is to file your report immediately. Get a reference number. Track the time. If 24 to 48 hours pass with no update, escalate. Truth number 9. International carriage rules mean different protections than domestic flights. If you fly internationally, your contract of carriage, applicable treaty, Montreal Convention, and local regulations apply. Your rights may be stronger or weaker than for domestic flights. For example, under Montreal Convention, your maximum liability per passenger is 1,131 special drawing rights, which is roughly $1,500 to $2,000 depending on currency. Domestically in the U.S., airlines may limit what they reimburse, and there's no global treaty guaranteeing maximum amounts. Your move is if your flight crosses international borders, note which region's laws apply. If you travel frequently, keep all receipts for contents. Truth number 10. Your behavior, timing, and bag tag drop matter more than you expect. Often the hidden factor is how early you check your bag, how full the flight is, what sort of aircraft your bag is transferring to, and whether you followed guidelines. If you're last minute, your bag may be sent on a later flight to avoid delaying the aircraft.
If your bag tag is ripped or strap weak, it may not make the automated loading chain. If your bag has odd dimensions or tag ambiguity, it may be set aside. What airlines rarely highlight, you are responsible for ensuring your bag is checked in by cutoff, tag is received, and you alert staff if anything is odd. Your advice? Arrive early, check your bag status on the airline app, keep boarding pass plus tag receipt until you see your bag. How to protect yourself and reduce risk. Step 1. Use carry-on where possible. The simplest protection. If your bag is your carry-on only, you see it arrive. You're in control. Most lost bag cases stem from checked luggage. Step 2. Photograph everything. Take a photo of your bag, inside and out, your tag, and your contents, especially high-value items. Email yourself the images. Step 3. Label inside and outside. Put an internal slip with your name and contact, external bright identifier, and avoid too many old stickers. A bag that stands out is less likely to be mishandled. Step 4. Add a tracking device. A small Bluetooth tracker or AirTag placed inside your checked bag gives you an extra layer of visibility. Step 5. File immediately if your bag doesn't arrive. Go to the airline's baggage claims desk in the airport. Get a report number. Ask where the bag is routed. Keep receipts for anything essential you purchase because your bag is delayed. Step 6. Know the contract of carriage. Read your airline's fine print. Know how much they're liable for, what counts as lost versus delayed, and what your rights are. Step 7. Pack smartly. In your checked bag, non-volatile items, clothing, backups. In your carry-on, essentials, valuables, medications. That way, if the worst happens, your trip isn't ruined. Step 8. Choose flights and luggage strategically. Direct flights reduce transfers. Avoid last flights of the day. Book flights with known baggage performance if possible. If you must connect, choose longer layovers. Here are a few examples that bring it home. A traveler arrived ahead of their luggage due to a short connection. The airline flagged the bag as delayed but didn't proactively notify them. Had they not tracked it themselves, they'd have believed it lost. Another used an AirTag in their checked bag, tracked it in real time, and provided the location to the airline. Bag arrived next day. Someone used a black suitcase with ribbons, but the ribbons interfered with scanning at the airport. Lost luggage isn't just about the airline messed up. It's about a system of tags, transfers, liabilities, and probabilities. But you're not powerless. Armed with the knowledge you just got, you can drastically reduce your risk, increase your odds of speedy recovery, and avoid the worst case. If you found this video valuable, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another elite Trailblazer travel tip or airport insider guide. In the comments below, tell us your baggage horror story or your best tip for avoiding it. I'll be reading and featuring some in future videos. Fly smart. Let your bag come with you, because elite Trailblazer, from airport lines to smooth landings, we've got you.